Shrimp Avocado Salad with Lime Cilantro Dressing. Imagine a dish that's light, refreshing, and bursting with flavor. A salad that combines the delicate sweetness of shrimp, the creamy richness of avocado, and the bright zest of lime and cilantro. This shrimp avocado salad with lime cilantro dressing is the perfect balance of fresh ingredients and bold flavors, making it an irresistible addition to your recipe collection. At the heart of this dish is perfectly cooked shrimp, tender and juicy, infused with a touch of citrus and spices. Pair it with ripe avocados that melt in your mouth, crisp greens for a satisfying crunch, and a zesty lime cilantro dressing that ties everything together with a vibrant punch of flavor. This salad is more than just a meal, it's an experience that awakens your taste buds and leaves you feeling refreshed and satisfied. The secret to the incredible flavor lies in the dressing. Fresh lime juice adds a tangy brightness, while cilantro brings in an earthy freshness. A touch of honey balances the acidity, and a hint of garlic elevates the taste profile. The result is a dressing that enhances every bite, making this salad anything but ordinary. Not only is this salad delicious, but it's also incredibly healthy. Shrimp is a fantastic source of lean protein, helping to keep you full without weighing you down. Avocados provide heart-healthy fats and essential nutrients, while fresh greens and vegetables add fiber and antioxidants. It's the perfect meal for those looking to eat light without sacrificing taste. Preparing this salad is easy and requires minimal effort. Start by seasoning and sautéing the shrimp until they're perfectly pink and juicy. While they cool, slice creamy avocados, chop fresh greens, and whisk together the dressing ingredients. Toss everything together, and in just a few minutes, you have a restaurant-quality dish ready to enjoy. Whether you're looking for a quick lunch, a healthy dinner, or an impressive dish for guests, this shrimp avocado salad with lime cilantro dressing is the answer. It's fresh, vibrant, and packed with flavor, exactly what you need for a delicious and wholesome meal. Have you ever tried making a shrimp avocado salad at home? What's your favorite ingredient to add for an extra twist?